You said you wanted to cut them, right? I'm gonna leave the scissors right here. So
Where were we?
we're right here. Like, when the metronome does that, we have to make a mark.
This is our first Girls in STEM. We wanted to have an event that focuses on girls working with female teachers, and then, as you saw, our guest panel of female scientists.
Every time you hear the clip, you have to make a mark, and then we show it in the graph table.
I just love seeing their excitement about it and their curiosity.
Women are dramatically underrepresented in the STEM fields.
And now we're like cutting it out so that way we can see like the difference from the beginning to the end.
It was fun to work together as a group.
This is your first data point, so you put it first.
We're looking at stuff under the microscopes and drawing the details.
So we taught them how to use one, the different parts, how to draw what they see.
Even learning about the objectives in the microscope, like when you zoom in and stuff.
So we talked about like sometimes science uses quantitative data, so numbers, but sometimes it's qualitative, so like observations.
It really surprises me that there's so much things you can do with science.
And some of them were saying that like when they grow up, they want to do jobs in STEM or science.
It's very fun and cool to learn about the new things.
It's like nice to see them interested in my passion.
We want them to think about all the opportunities that they should have and advocate for themselves, because if you want to be a bakery owner, fantastic. But is there science involved in baking? Absolutely.
They just want to share. Like they asked like a bunch of people who came in, they were like, do you want to see what I'm looking at under the microscope? Like they want to share.
So it's an opportunity to show girls that this is where they belong and that these are opportunities that they can have.